Hi, I'm Professor Peter Schofield, CEO at NeuRA, Neuroscience Research Australia. I'd like to share a little about what we know about bipolar disorder and some of the work that we're doing to better understand, work out how we might be able to better diagnose, manage and treat bipolar disorder. Bipolar is a severe and serious mental illness. It affects about 1% of the population. It's characterised by alternating periods of elevated or depressed mood, thus the term bipolar, the two poles. In periods of elevated mood or mania, people can be delusional. Individuals suffering from bipolar can have a whole range of behavioural patterns where things that really are outside of normal expectation become normal expectation for those people. So it's very challenging. It's challenging on work relations. It's challenging on family and family relationships. It often leads to severe financial strife. Alternate with periods of depression where individuals just feel lost, don't have the energy or ability to do literally anything. And unlike many other severe mental illnesses, bipolar, whilst characterised by these two extremes, has periods of otherwise normality in between. Bipolar is principally treated by mood stabilising drugs, of which lithium, discovered in Australia, is one of the mainstays. These medications help people maintain a more stable and normal mood state. We know, unfortunately, very little about the predictors, the precipitators for manic or depressive episodes and the diagnosis of bipolar disorder. We do know that the condition is heritable. It's more prevalent in families. So if I, for example, live with bipolar disorder, my first-degree relatives are 10 times more likely than a general member of the community to have bipolar disorder. But that also means that there are many of my relatives who won't have bipolar disorder. One of our research projects at NeuRA is looking at the genetic and environmental causes and the medical comorbidities of bipolar disorder. We're studying a large population cohort from the state of New South Wales. We're looking to understand those individuals who have the condition and what treatments they're receiving, how those medications are affecting them, whether they have other medical conditions that are, we might see in the larger data set associated with bipolar disorder, and also using whole genome sequencing to get a deeper insight into some of the genetic underpinnings. We hope that this research will give us some new insights into what may actually be both causal, but what may also be able to be used in better management of the condition. You can find out more about our research on bipolar disorder by going to neuratalks.org. There, NeuRA's Dr. Jan Fullerton has a presentation where you can find out more about bipolar disorder.
This new grant that we've been awarded will enable us to closely examine the genome story of bipolar disorder, to better understand what causes it, and to provide clues as to better how to treat it.